Ayun, hello guys, again, I'm Ralph. I'm from Baguio and I'm a Fragid. And today po, nakaka-excite ulit kasi I'll be sharing to you a local niche perfume. This is a gem in my collection. Guys, basically what I do sa series na to is I share to you the local niche perfumes in my collection and also I share to you why I love them. So guys, without further ado, no, this is, ayan, no, grabe. This is called Amkidul from the House of the Boar Grooming Co. Grabe. So, taking time lang to appreciate the bottle. So, grabe yung juice color niyan. And it has wood chips. Grabe. Solid. So, anyway guys, Amkidul, no, shout out to the creative mind, no, to the perfumer, Sir Eman Ibita. Shout out to you and the team of the Boar Grooming Co. So, anyway guys, no, Amkidul, no, this is inspired, no, sa Cordilleran, to be specific sa Ifugao, Goddess of Thunder named Amkidul. So, as you could imagine, this is intense, this is powerful. So, anyway, notes, no, i-post nyo na lang guys, no, ilalagay ko somewhere here, no. So, notes, as you can see, merong apricot, merong smoke accord, merong blue cheese accord, no, very interesting, and an array of oud. So, as you can see, no, speaking of oud, you could see here oud Siam, Cambodian, Malaysian oud, and nakaka-proud, no? This is a first, guys, in Philippine perfumery na meron pong Philippine agarwood, Philippine oud or lapnisan, guys, no. If you're into real oud, no, isa sa prized possession or isa sa sought after na oud sa buong mundo is Philippine oud because sa isang article na nakita ko, no, from Russian Adam, the perfumer of Arish Ledore, no, sabi niya Philippine oud is a sinking grade oud, no. It just means na it's of really high quality. So naka-proud guys na meron pong lapnisan, merong Philippine oud po dito sa ano, no, sa Amkidul. So well experienced, no. Para sa akin personally guys, no, paunahan ko na kayo, this is challenging. This is not for the faint-hearted. This is barnyardy. This is fecal oud, no. So yung mga synthetic oud kasi, for example, like oud maracuja ng Maison Crivelli or oud Ispahan ng Dior, it gives you an idea, no, of what oud smells like. Pero it's nowhere near sa talagang real thing, no. So anyway, real oud kasi nandun ako sa era na yun ngayon ng collecting ko. So I'm collecting frags with real oud. So yan, no, this is really interesting, no, kasi for me this opens up really challenging, no. This opens up with fecal oud, no. It's really animalic guys, no. It's really not for all na opening. Pero somehow it's still subdued by apricot. So apricot, it's fruity, it's sweet, no. So it's intense, no. And samahan mo pa ng blue cheese accord, no. So blue cheese, no, I don't know if you have heard of this one. This is also utilizing real oud, Laotian oud. This is Lao oud from the House of Bortnikov, no. So may blue cheese smell siya, no, pero this is beeswax kasi. So anyway guys, no, Amkidul is real oud, no, and according din sa mga nabasa ko, isang Philippine oud sa pinaka barnyardy, isa sa pinaka challenging na smelling na oud. So ganun yung opinion niya sa akin. It's smoky, it's fecal, no. It has sweetness, no, pero it's also a bit leathery. So this is challenging, no. And as the hours, no, go by, no, once you wear this one, no, you would experience, no, na it becomes a bit subdued, no, pero pagdating ng base, no, or after how many hours, it becomes intense again kasi it has animalic notes, no. So basically guys, no, what I'm trying to say, no, to be less technical about this, no, this is for collectors lang. Of course you could try this one, pero baka mabigla kayo if you're entering oud, or if you're entering even real oud na or artisanal oud, no, I wouldn't recommend this, no, kasi this is really challenging. No, this is in your face, no, and isa pa sa na-notice ko dito, no, yung blue cheese accord niya, no, kasi pag ilalapit mo yung ilong mo where you sprayed, no, it's sweet, no, and nangingibabaw yung apricot, nangingibabaw din yung oud, so apricot and oud. Pero pag malayo siya sa'yo or doon sa room kung saan ka nag-spray, you would definitely smell the blue cheese accord, no? So it's intense, no? It's challenging, it's artisanal. No, nakakatuwa, guys, kasi naka-proud na magkaroon ng ganito sa collection. And yeah, guys, no, I'm a frag head, no, na for me, I think I in my heart, no, this is a proud moment. Kasi first time to eh. And again, guys, no, as I always say, no, na despite sa mga naging issues sa local scene, no, recently, isa to sa reason kung bakit, ayun nga, no, deserve pa rin ng support ng local. So anyway, guys, no, this is Amkidul. Pero sadly, guys, this is currently not in production. Pero you could ask Sir Eman. Baka naman, Sir Eman, no, may mga naghahanap din ito. So anyway, Amkidul, no, and last thing, guys, this has oud chips, no, so meron pong lapnisan yan, grabe, no, ang ganda lang na aesthetic, no, sa perfume, no, so anyway, guys, Amkidul from the House of the Boar Grooming Co. So yun lang, guys, and thank you so much.